Digifric here, and I have the HyperX pudding keycaps, and I'm gonna be replacing my Keychron K2's keycaps. It's a lot of K's. But yeah, and this is my first time replacing it, so stick with me. And I know not all the keys are gonna fit, but I just want to see how it looks, and let's go. Better than before, that's for sure. Right side modifiers didn't fit the layout. I didn't replace the Mac modifiers because I'm not used to the Mac keyboard yet. Here's the typing test before. And here's the typing test after replacing the keys and adding the dash. To be honest, I was a little underwhelmed when I first turned on the keyboard, but I was in a really bright room. But I tried it later in a pitch black room, and I was really impressed with the look. And finally, in the evening, when I tried the keycaps, there was pretty much no difference between that and nighttime. Maybe just a little bit more shine through in the nighttime, but it's just really nice. Even on the K2, at first I thought maybe the RGB on the K2 might not have been the best, but it actually turned out really nice. And it's just a really clean look, but a nice shine through. And I think it looks really nice with the gray and orange combo. But that's all I have. Thank you, and see you in the next one.